What is webhooks for Discord? So webhooks let you post messages to a specific channel automatically. When you create a webhook, you get a dedicated URL that third-party applications can send messages to in order to post a message in your server or channel. Now I'll show you how to create and use webhook for Discord server. Go to the server and make sure you are the owner of the server, and now click on server name and go to server settings. Once you are in your server settings, in this left-hand menu under apps, click on integrations and click on webhook. Click on create webhook, and here we can see the webhook added. It's time to customize this webhook. So click on the webhook, and here you can change webhook name and in which channel you want to add the webhook. So click on this channel drop down and select the channel. And now if you want to add an icon to the webhook, click on this webhook icon, and now from your computer you can go ahead and select a photo, and now here we can see the webhook URL. So click here to copy the webhook link, and now click on save changes, and that's it. You have created a webhook in your server. And now using this webhook, you can connect your Discord with GitHub, with YouTube to get latest update for your YouTube videos. Also, you can create roles channel or roles using this webhook. So in my case, I'm going to opening this Cohook.org website and clearing everything, and here you can click on add embed and go ahead and add something here just like so to embed, and here we can see the preview, and now click on send, and once successfully sent, go to your server and select the channel, and here we can see the embed successfully added through the webhook. So that's how we can use webhook for Discord server. Thanks for watching.